Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a very nice day, especially given the context of how things started with the big gap down. But really, after the gap down, it was just a slow and steady grind the rest of the day. So much so that it got back up above a level that it had violated. So if you watched the past videos, then hopefully remember me talking about $92, which is representing this green line here. So it broke down below there, was not a good sign. I mean, assuming you're along, you don't want to see levels of support being violated. But like I said, with the grind back upwards, got back above 92. So on that note, $92 goes right back to acting as support like it was. And that remains at ideal level where if the price can stay above there, well, then yeah, ideally that's going to make the chart look the strongest. But as I've said in past videos and will continue to say, from more so the overarching standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, hence its name as a moving average, then overall the bulls are still in full control. So even with the gap down here, I mean, from the overarching standpoint, yeah, nobody wants to see that. But it's not like the chart was destroyed or anything, because that was all occurring up above that purple line. But nonetheless, 92 is still going to be that ideal level, and then followed by the overarching level down there at that purple line, the 50-period moving average. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing new here to report. Still got pretty much all eyeballs up around the 96.25-ish area. And then the next key level up there around 98.50 as those next couple areas. But really the main dynamic here was just how bad things started off on the day, but then how very nicely the price recovered from it. So going forward now, it's just a question of, can the price continue to grind, continue to build upon this recovery? We'll see what happens with it and see how things play out on Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.